Before he goes nuts. Here's the tail of the squirrel. Guys, now I'm gonna put on the tail. And tell him you're tying this cord off. So then take out the nuts. Here we are. Let's see when I put so many nuts inside, let's see if he goes nuts. I'm gonna test it. Tails on the squirrel, and squirrel in Italian is scoiattolo. And guys, now let's put it on the face. Now let's see if it goes nuts. Let's see if it goes nuts. Look at his eyes, guys. They all came out of the branch. And guys, this means you can pick whatever color you want. This means you of two colors, whatever you want. This one means. Guys, it's rainbow, and rainbow colors are by rainbow. Guys, look, there's different colors on the plates too. We just need 2 plates. And guys, whoever gets the 5 nuts first wins. Oh my god, I got a yellow, and now I'm telling me yellow. And now I'm going to put the yellow in. First I have to build the tail back. Now it's your turn. Here. Yellow. And on this way. Alright, your turn. I can't believe it. Oh no. And that means that I can choose whatever color I want. And I'm going to choose green because it's on my thing. Green Italian is vivid. My next one is going to pop out for sure. Oh, I got green as well. Will you put those down? Yes. Look, his eyes are green now. And now it's my turn. It's like his mother so something that his eye. Yay! I have to pick whatever color I want. So let's take a turn. Green. And then. Oh. And now it's my turn. Yes, rainbow. Yellow. Yes, yellow too. Take a roll the dice while I'm waiting. Whoa, rainbow. Guys, I got a rainbow. Green. Your turn. Oh, yay! Oh, I got green. But oh, here's blue. And blue in the Italian is blue. Blue in the Italian blue. Oh, red. And I caught it in my hand. And it is beautiful. Buttered. Oh, one of mine comes down. Red. Oh, this is the last one. So I don't get the red again because that was the last one. Blue. I'm gonna just make sure. So I'm just gonna. No, where it goes. Now it's your turn. Please don't. Red. Rainbow. I can put it in you always pick green. Back. He's starting to cry. No, he's not. He's starting to go to sleep. He's like this. He's so stuffed that his eyes are going up. Yeah, he's like crying like this. Oh, I'm ready for my one arm. Green! Ready for me? Phew. I thought it was going to come out. Me too. Rainbow! Red. But I got 5 too. No, but it matters whoever gets all of their names